This is Pakistan Affair MCQ series episode 4 part 2. In this series we will cover maximum MCQs of Pakistan Affair, and I am sure that whether you appear for CSS or PMS or any other job exam, this series will help you score maximum marks in Pakistan Affair. And in this video we will cover the remaining 39 MCQs of Mughal dynasty. So stay tuned with this channel because we will cover maximum MCQs in this series, and in the end I will put some questions, so make sure to answer those questions and compare it with the answers I will given in comment section, so you can know that this series is helping you out in remembering these MCQs. So let's start with our MCQs. Kandahar became the part of Mughal Empire in 1595 during the reign of options are Humayun, Babur, Sher Shah Suri and Akbar. So the right option here is Akbar. During the reign of Akbar, Kandahar became the part of Mughal Empire. Akbar died in which year? Options are 1599, 1600, 1601, 1605. So the right option here is 1605. In 1605 Akbar died. Who promulgated Deen-e-Ilahi? Options are Khilji, Ahmad Shah Abdali, Akbar, Sher Shah. So the right option here is Akbar. Akbar promulgated Deen-e-Ilahi. Akbar promulgated Deen-e-Ilahi in which year? Options are 1589, 1582, 1580, 1583. So the right option here is 1582. In 1582 Akbar promulgated Deen-e-Ilahi. The most famous musician at the court of Akbar was Tansen. His original name was, options are Bahadur, Makaranda Pandey, Lal Kalwat and Ram Tanu Pandey. So the right option here is Ram Tanu Pandey. So the original name of Tansen was Ram Tanu Pandey. Who opposed Akbar's Deen-e-Ilahi? Options are Hazrat Sheikh Ahmad Sarhindi, Haji Shariatullah, Shah Abdul Aziz, Dadu Mian. So the right option here is Hazrat Sheikh Ahmad Sarhindi. Hazrat Sheikh Ahmad Sarhindi opposed the Akbar's Deen-e-Ilahi. Next MCQ is Jahangir ascended the throne in which year? Options are 1605, 1606, 1609, 1610. So the right option here is 1605. In 1605 Jahangir ascended the throne. Jahangir ascended the throne at, options are Delhi, Lahore, Agra, Larkana. So the right option here is Agra. At Agra Jahangir ascended the throne. Who was wife of Jahangir? Options are Noor Jahan, Noor Mahal, Noor Afghan, Noor Bibi. So the right option here is Noor Jahan. Noor Jahan was the wife of Jahangir. Real name of Noor Jahan was, options are Aisha Begum, Rukhsarun Nisa, Nagan Begum, Meherun Nisa. So right option here is Meherun Nisa. Meherun Nisa was the real name of Noor Jahan. Next MCQ is Mughal King Jahangir died in which year? Options are 1625, 1628, 1630, 1631. So the right option here is 1628. In 1628 Mughal King Jahangir died. 1628 is the right option. During Mughal period the traders of country first came to India. Options are Portuguese, Dutch, Arab, English. So the right option here is Portuguese. Portuguese was the first traders who came during the Mughal period. 53rd MCQ is when Shah Jahan succeeded Jahangir? In which year? Okay, options are 1624, 1623, 1627, 1625. So the right option here is 1627. In 1627 Shah Jahan succeeded Jahangir. 1627 is the right option. Real name of Shah Jahan was, option are Khurram, Aurangzeb, Babur, Akbar. So the right option here is Khurram. Khurram was the real name of Shah Jahan. Shah Jahan got married with, options are Shah Banu, Sher Banu, Arjuman Banu, Samand Banu. So the right option here is Arjuman Banu. Shah Jahan got married with Arjuman Banu. Arjuman Banu is popularly known as, options are Taj Mahal, Mumtaz Mahal, Moti Mahal, Kishwar Mahal. So the right option here is Mumtaz Mahal. Arjuman Banu is popularly known as Mumtaz Mahal. In 1633, Qasim Khan on the order of Shah Jahan attacked, options are Dutch, English, Sikhs, Portuguese. So the right option here is Portuguese. In 1633, Qasim Khan on the order of Shah Jahan attacked on Portuguese. Who recaptured Kandahar? Options are Akbar, Jahangir, Shah Jahan, Shah. So the right option here is Shah Jahan. Shah Jahan recaptured Kandahar. Shah Jahan immortalized his love for his beloved wife Mumtaz Begum by, options are Taj Mahal, Neelam Mahal, Moti Mahal, Noor Mahal. So the right option here is Taj Mahal. Shah Jahan immortalized his love for his beloved Begum Mumtaz Begum by building Taj Mahal. Shah Jahan died in which year? Options are 1660, 1664, 1663, 1665. So the right option here is 1665. Shah Jahan died in 1665. Aurangzeb ruled Indo-Pakistan from 1658 to which year? Options are 1707, 1708, 1710, 1711. So the right option here is 1707. Aurangzeb ruled Indo-Pakistan from 1658 to 1707. Aurangzeb proclaimed himself Emperor of Delhi after battle. Options are Panipat, Myanmar, Samughar, none of them. So the right option here is Samughar. So after the battle of Samughar, Aurangzeb proclaimed himself as the Emperor of Delhi. Aurangzeb proclaimed himself the Emperor of Delhi in which year? Okay, this question is about here. So options are 1658, 1650, 1660, 1662. So the right option here is 1658. In 1658, Aurangzeb proclaimed himself the Emperor of Delhi. Who discontinued Deen-e-Ilahi era of Akbar? Options are Shuja, Babur, Aurangzeb, Sher Shah. So the right option here is Aurangzeb. Aurangzeb discontinued Deen-e-Ilahi. Aurangzeb died in which year? Options are 1710, 1707, 1711, 1708. So the right option here is 1707. Aurangzeb died in 1707. Son of Aurangzeb who succeeded him under the title of Bahadur Shah. What was his name? Okay, options are Akbar, Sheikh Ahmad, Muazzam, Ahmad Shah Abdali. So the right option here is Muazzam. Under Mughal administration, the paymaster of the state was called SSP, Sadr, Kotwal, Sub-Inspector. So the right option here is Kotwal. Under Mughal administration, the paymaster of the state was called Kotwal. Under Mughal administration, each Sarkar was divided into, options are city, province, districts, Pargana. So the right option here is Pargana. So under the Mughal administration, each Sarkar was divided into Pargana. Aurangzeb's death was followed by a war of, options are succession, inheritance, crown, throne. So the right option here is succession. Aurangzeb's death was followed by the war of succession. In Bahadur Shah Zafar's reign, which revolt was on peak? Options are Hindu, Sikh, Christian, Buddha. So the right option here is Sikh. In Bahadur Shah Zafar's reign, the revolt of Sikh was on peak. Nadir Shah attacked Delhi in which year? Options are 1737, 1739, 1740, 1742. So the right option here is 1739. In 1739, Nadir Shah attacked Delhi. Who was the founder of the Kingdom of Afghanistan? So the options are Akbar, Babur, Ahmad Shah Durrani, Sher Shah Suri. So the right option here is Ahmad Shah Durrani. So the founder of Kingdom of Afghanistan was Ahmad Shah Durrani. Ahmad Shah Durrani reigned from 1748 to options are 1764, 1765, 1766, 1767. So the right option here is 1764. So Ahmad Shah Durrani reigned from 1748 to 1764. Shah Alamgir II was son of, options are Shah Jahan, Akbar, Jahangir, Humayun. So the right option here is Akbar. Shah Alamgir II was the son of Akbar. The British started to came in subcontinent in which century? Options are 15th century, 16th century, 17th century, 18th century. So the right option here is 17th century. British started to came in subcontinent in 17th century. Who won the first Anglo-Sikh War? So the options are British, Italians, Muslims, Hindus. So the right option is British. British won the first Anglo-Sikh War. In 1857, who joined the War of Independence? Options are Bahadur Shah first, Bahadur Shah second, Bahadur Shah third, Bahadur Shah fourth. So the right option here is Bahadur Shah second. In 1857, Bahadur Shah II joined the War of Independence. After War of Independence, Bahadur Shah Zafar was arrested and deported to, options are Delhi, Karachi, Rangoon, Lahore. So third is the right option here, Rangoon. After the War of Independence, Bahadur Shah Zafar was deported to Rangoon. How many Mughal emperors ruled over the subcontinent? Options are 16, 17, 18, 20. So the right option here is 17. So total 17 Mughal emperors have ruled over the subcontinent. I hope guys that these series are proving beneficial for you. So you can give your remarks in comment section so I can know that my effort is really fruitful for you. And if you want any other improvement, you can give your suggestion in comment section. Thank you so much.